Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my beloved student? Okay, I hope you always fine. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Okay, today we study about review material about English alphabet, introduction yourself, greeting, and daily expression. Okay, before we start, I want to opening. Patona clap. Okay, thank you. Next, okay, storytelling Lion King. Okay, listen, dengar ibunda ya. The honorable teacher and my beloved friends, good morning. Thanks for your chance given to me. In this chance, I would like to tell a story about Lion King. Okay, jadi good morning. You can change good morning, good afternoon, good night ya, depend the situation. And then don't forget to remember this storytelling. Repeat again. The honorable teacher and my beloved friends, good morning. Thanks for your chance given to me. In this chance, I would like to tell a story about Lion King. Chance ya. Okay, the honorable bukan the honorable, but the honorable. Okay, remember, the honorable teacher and my beloved friends, good morning. Thanks for the chance given to me. In this chance, I would like to tell a story about Lion King. Okay, dilakukan dengan fluency ya, dengan lancar, and then intonation ya, ada intonasinya, jangan the honorable teacher and my beloved friends. No, jangan seperti itu ya. Silakan ucapan dengan intonasi. Next, review material, daily expression. Masih ingat nak? Apa saja yang kemarin? I'm coming, I go home, bye bye, thank you, I'm sorry I'm late ya, and extra dan lain-lain. Okay, next, pretest. What is your full name? So that's why it's me. Ya, apa jawabannya? My full name is Sita, atau my name is Siti Fatima. Next, good afternoon. So your response is good afternoon. Spell your name please. Okay, you can call me Ima. So when I spell, I-M-A-H. Okay, next, may I borrow your English book? Here you are. Okay, good. The responnya here you are atau yes you may. Next, persepsi. See. Okay. You must match ya, pasangkan. Good night. It mean selamat malam. What's up? Apa kabar? Spell your mother names. Nama ibumu. I'm coming. Aku datang. Hello, how are you? I'm great, how are you? Hello, how are you? I'm great, thank you. Okay, next. Introduce yourself. Okay, see, there is short conversation. Hi, good afternoon. What's your name? My name is Nikki. What's your full name? Nikki Hayden. Thank you. You are welcome. Okay. Ketika kalian sekolah nanti bisa tanyakan dengan temannya ya. What's your name? And then what's your full name ya? A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. Tell me what you think of me. I am chicken. Bebek dah kuek. Buaya krokodil. Anjing dog guguk. Okay, next, English alphabet. Yeah, you can see there is short conversation and a short storytelling. Yeah, about introduce yourself. ya. And then spelling English alphabet. See? Sarah and Kayla ya. Short conversation. What's your name? My name's Kayla. Please spell your name. Please spell your name. K-A-Y-L-A. And you? My name's Sarah. S-A-R-A-H. Thank you, Kayla. You are welcome, Sarah. Okay, itu tadi short conversation. Next, introduce yourself in front of the class ya. Kalian silakan perkenalan diri kalian di depan kelas. See the sentence ya. Dilihat kalimatnya ya. Hello my friends, good morning. My name's Aisyah. A-I-S-Y-A-H. Thank you. Oke, silakan nanti kalau kita punya waktu yang agak cukup panjang ya, atau sudah mulai kelas offline, kita bisa lakukan ini ya nak ya. Oke, next kelas survei ya, ini dilakukan juga saat offline ya. Nanti kita coba untuk prakteknya, tapi Bunda tetap lihatkan kalian ya. Jadi caranya seperti ini, kalian menanyakan ya, what's your name? Nah, kalian nanyakan orang, terus orang tersebut responnya apa? Misalnya namanya Budi. Next kalian ask again, please spell your name. Nah, silahkan tulis ejaan namanya ya. Tanyakan, kemudian catatkan. Oke, next daily expression, I'm coming. Ya, masih ingat ini daily expression yang kemarin kita pelajari. I'm coming, ucapan ketika datang. Sorry, I go home, bye bye, ucapan ketika pulang. Sorry, I come late. Maaf ya, aku telat. May I borrow your pen? Mau minjam sesuatu, bisa ganti pen, ruler, duster, and etc. ya, silahkan diganti. Next, I want to drink ketika mau minum. I want to eat ketika mau makan. I want to go to restroom ketika izin ke kamar mandi. I'm sorry, minta maaf. Okay, so the point about material about English alphabet ya, kita gunakan untuk apa nak? Masih ingat kemarin? Ya, untuk mengejakan nama ya. Ketika kalian sedang memesan tiket ya, kalian kan di luar negeri nggak tahu orang luar itu nama kalian, bisa gunakan. Kemudian juga daily expression yang kita pakai sehari-hari ya nak ya. Greetingnya good morning, good afternoon, itu penting juga untuk kita ya, untuk lebih kita menjadi orang yang bersifat kind, ramah, dan baik. Next, so that's all ya, itu kesimpulannya sampai di situ. Next, post test ya, kisi-kisi. Oke, Bunda akan give you a kisi-kisi ya, untuk karena next week kita ujian PTS, so that's why I give you kisi-kisi. The first comment, don't litter ya, seperti contohnya don't litter, salute up, and etc. Silahkan dipelajari lagi ya, yang di slide Bunda waktu itu. Next, direction, where is, and then turn right ya, where is itu, where is the bank, di mana bank ya, where is the hospital. So your response is the hospital ya, atau it is opposite the bookstore, for example. It is opposite the opposite bookstore, for example, like that. And then you can learn about it again. Next, doing something ya, melakukan sesuatu. Next, what do you do in the bookstore ya, apa yang kamu lakukan di toko buku? Apa yang kalian lakukan? I buy some book. Next, spell your name and fruit. Silahkan dibuka kembali ya pelajaran yang kemarin ya. Spell your name and fruit. Silahkan eja nama dan eja buah ya. Ini kisi-kisinya ada di ini. Contohnya banana kan, B-A-N-A-N-A, and then nama orang misalnya Gita, G-I-T-A, for example. Introduction yourself ya, perkenalan diri, name, full name, and then who are you ya. Next, greeting. Good morning, good afternoon, ya. And then, how are you today? What's up? Ya, seperti itu juga greetingnya bisa menanyakan kabar. Next, daily expression ya. Yang kemarin masih ingat what's up, nothing much. Kemudian I'm coming ya sih. Lihat slide Bunda kemarin. Tadi ya, kemarin ya. Slide Bunda tadi ya, I'm coming, I go home, bye-bye. Sorry I can't late, may I borrow your pen? I want to drink, I want to eat, I want to go to restroom. I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay. Next, before I close, I want to give you a little message of Islamic character building. Wahai orang-orang yang beriman, bertakwalah kepada Allah dan bersamalah kamu dengan orang-orang yang jujur. So that's why Hannes, jujur ya, Hannes is so important ya for you ya. Yeah. Next, sing animal song. Okay, thank you. I think that's all I could tell you for this time being. I'm sorry if I made many mistake. Thank you very much for your good attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.